The control voltage of 24 volts has become established in the industry for the supply of automation technology. A high degree of reliability and thus effective protection of the supply to controllers, operating devices, switching devices and small motors is essential. What could jeopardize the power supply? A short circuit, for example. It could be caused, for instance, by a freight trailing cable, a faulty load, water or contamination. A transient overload, for example, due to an overloaded DC motor, can also result in the complete failure of the entire 24-volt supply. Switched-mode power supplies, which today are considered standard for the 24-volt supply, limit the output current or switch it off completely in the event of an overload. This means that all loads in the control circuit are undersupplied and your entire system comes to a standstill. To protect 24-volt control circuits, they are often distributed over several feeders and protected using miniature circuit breakers. In the event of an overcurrent, modern switched-mode power supplies enter current limiting mode as a means of self-protection. This means that miniature circuit breakers can no longer protect against failure, as they only trip when several times the rated current is present. And even if they do trip after a few milliseconds, the voltage dip can be enough to stop the controller, thereby disrupting the process and bringing the system to a standstill. How do you avoid system failures? Easily and effectively using the SITOP PSE200U selectivity module. Learn about the selectivity module in the following 3 videos. See for yourself how you can benefit from electronic monitoring.